Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draw some avocado art. Avocado is known as a superfood for its many health benefits, and I am someone who does enjoy avocado on toast, I must say. So, I did my own art of a happy avocado. Feel free to follow along, or alternatively, use this as a therapeutic video. This is the final product. First, we need to get the shape of the avocado right. It took a few steps to do mine, a few attempts I should say, but I found an ellipse shape that I liked, and this became the base. I doubled the line and then filled it brown for the shell colour. Then I filled the rest of the space in green. You may want to use a reference image to get your colours right, but personally I eat a lot of avocados and I found the right green for my image by eye. Then I drew the seed as a circular shape. I almost wanted to make it a perfect circle, then I undid it because I realised it looks better freehand. Then I used another brush, I think from the artistic panel, to give the avocado a flesh texture. First you'll want to put the green layer on alpha lock though, so you can paint freely on the new layer, which will only affect the green. Next I drew some content looking features as well as arms and legs on the avocado to give it a character and personality. I played around a bit with the arms and legs because I didn't want it looking like a snowman. Then I gave it a background colour so that it's not too plain. I chose the complementary colour of lilac. Finally, I add dimension to the pip using alpha lock, a new layer and another artistic brush. And that's it. Please leave suggestions in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon next time.